Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to summarize attribute tables in ArcGIS. How to summarize attribute table. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So let's assume you have a data like this. In this case, I want to use Nigeria local government areas, for example. So let's assume you have this local government area, this one, and you want to select some local government or some polygons are selected, just like this one, from each state. So, and you want to see how many local governments belongs or is selected from each of the states or each of the area. So to do that, for example, let's click this selected ArcGIS, open the attribute table. So you can see that in each of the states, like Ogun State, this one belongs to Ogun State, this second one belongs to Ogun State, this one belongs to Oyo State, this one belongs to Oyo State, this one belongs to Oyo State. So how do you know how many of the polygon belong to a particular region or a particular state in this case? So to do that, come here, we are using state to summarize. Right click and you see summarize. Click summarize. Now it will bring this. So here, select a field to summarize. We want to use field to summarize, state to summarize. So here we are going with states. Then leave this as it is. Then click here, browse to where you want to save the outputs. Let's save it here as summarize. Let's just save it as summarized. Then here, click the format. You can choose any of these, but let's use as text file. Text file, summarize, then click save. Then click on OK. So it is done. Then click yes to add it to the map. Yes. Then you can now close this. Now this is it, summarized. Right click it and open. Now this is it. This is what it means. For Abia State, the number of selected local government is 4. So it has been summarized. For Bauchi State, the number of local government selected is 2. For Benue, for Bayelsa 1. For Benue 3. For Borno 6. Now you can actually right click here and put it in ascending order, so you can see those states with 1 selected, those with 2, those with 3, and the state with the highest are Borno, Kano and Osun. So in nutshell, you have summarized the attribute table such that you can know in each state, you can know how many were selected, which means in each of the states here, you can know how many local government are selected, which is the one in blue here. So this is how to summarize attribute table in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.